morning students, I am Kirti Sharma, your English teacher from Takshila Model Senior Secondary School. Students, in my today's class, I'll teach you tenses. As you all are familiar with this term from your beginning classes, right? From your initial classes, you are studying this topic like in your second, third, fourth, fifth, so on. According to the class, there are some add-ons which we are reading in the tenses. Okay. So, in my today's class, I will teach you what are the tenses, different types of sentence and subtypes of sentence, and what are the things we should keep in our mind while using the tenses according to the time. Okay. First of all, let's understand the definition of tense. Students, tense is a form of verb which tell us about the time of an action, and it also tell us about the degree of completion. That is the state of an action. Students, in this definition there are various terms which some of the terms which are familiar with, and with some terms we are not familiar. So if I talk about the verb, okay, what is verb? Verb क्या होती है? Verb होते हैं जो action words होते हैं are known as verb, like jump, eat and walk, whatever it is. जो action words होते हैं that is all about verb, which tells us about the time of an action, okay, and it also tells us about the degree of completion. Degree of completion means at which time or at which point of time the time has the work has completed. Degree of completion means the state of an action. The state of an action means the stage at which the action is. Means कोई भी जो काम है वो किस stage पे है, means whether it is the work is in the present or already done means past, or will do means future. According to the tenses like past, present and future, we use the form of the verbs. Okay, students, there are different types of tenses. Okay, what are the types of tenses? Basically, there are three types of tenses. First one is present tense. Second is past tense, right? And last one is future. With the help of these three terms, we can divide our action, or we can divide the stage at which the action is, right? Whether the work is in present or in past or in future. Here are different types of subtypes of these tenses, means simple or indefinite, and then continuous, then perfect, then perfect continuous. Okay, students, so like this we do all the tenses. If I talk about present, the tenses will, subtypes of the present tense will be present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, students, same past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Same future, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Like this we divide all the tenses. Okay, now how we can identify or how we use these tenses? Let's start with present tense. Present tense is the tense which is used to show, or which is used for any action which is going on, or it shows the daily routine and habits also. So present tense is divided into four subcategories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So let's understand where we use simple present. present tense. Simple present tense is the tense which shows any action which is a habit or for conveying in any statement or for the universal truth. For the universal truth we use simple present tense. For the universal truth, like the sun rises in the east. For any habit means I go to the school daily या my mother goes to the temple daily. For any statement like for example the cow mew. In this type of words we say that this is a simple present tense. Now how we use simple present tense? In simple present tense we use s or es with singular number, or we do not use any s or es with plural number, right? Or for negative sentence we use do not and does not. These are the things which we use in this simple present tense. Second is present continuous. Present continuous is a tense which in this tense it shows the activities that are happening at the moment. कोई भी काम जो कि अभी भी continue है. In that case we use present continuous, or in this we use is, am, are. For example, I am writing a letter. So I am writing a letter का मतलब हो गया कि any activity. Activity is what here? Activity is writing, is still going on. For the singular noun we use is, for I we use am, and for plural noun we use are, or for you also we use are. So like this we use present continuous tense. Now present perfect. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense shows the action that has started in the past and are still going on. कोई भी काम जो कि past में start हुआ था but अभी भी चल रहा है. For example, I have written the letter to my letter to the principal. Means मैंने अपने principal को letter लिखा. Means पहले लिखना शुरू करा but still that is going on. Like this we use present tense. Now past tense. Past tense, in this any action which is already done or any work which has already completed in the past is, in this case we use the verb and helping verb according to the past tense. It has three categories like simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Basically it has four, but in your class we will discuss only three of them: simple past, past continuous and past perfect. What is simple past tense? In this simple past tense we talk about an action that happened in the past. हम किसी भी उस एक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं जो कि पास्ट में हो चुका है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I went to my grandfather house in the last summer. मैं लास्ट समर अपने ग्रैंडफादर के घर गया था. सो क्या यहाँ एक एक्शन है जो कि ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. इन दिस टेंस वी यूज इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. गो की सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या है? वेंट. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस आई हैव यूज्ड वेंट हियर. I ate banana in the breakfast. Eat की second form ate. So in the affirmative sentence we use second form of the verb. For negative sentence or interrogative sentence we use did not, and with did we use first form of the verb. We do not use second form of the verb along with did, because did itself is a second form. So in simple past tense we discuss any action that is already happened or any work which is already done in the past. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to show action that was going on. Means कोई भी काम जो कि पहले हो रहा था बट नाउ इट इज नॉट going on. So in the past any action is going on, we use past continuous tense. In this tense we use was, were and first form of verb and ing with the first form of the verb. But where we use was, verb, we use was with the singular person, means singular noun के साथ हम use करेंगे was and plural के साथ we use करेंगे were. And we will always use first form of the verb with ing. For example, he was eating apples when I saw him. जब मैंने उसको देखा वो क्या कर रहा था? He was eating apples. So eat is the first form of the eat and I have used ing with this verb. So in the past continuous tense, we use was verb and first form of the verb with ing. Now, past perfect tense. What we use with the past perfect tense? Past perfect tense is a tense which talks about an action completed before a certain moment. Means कोई भी काम जो कि एक certain moment में खत्म हो चुका था, means पहले ही completed है, इस condition में we use past perfect tense. And what we use with past perfect? Had plus third form of the verb, right? In the present perfect tense we were using has and then third form of the verb. Like this, in this tense we will use had and third form of the verb, right? I had eaten Maggie. मैंने मैगी खा ली थी, तो I had eaten is the third form of eat. So in past perfect tense we use had plus third form of the verb. Now future tense. In this tense means in future tense we talk about any action which is going to be happen. कोई भी काम जो कि फ्यूचर में और नियर बाय फ्यूचर होने वाला है उसमें हम we use future tense. Here future simple future. In the simple future we talk about an action that is going to happen in the future. कोई भी action जो कि फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, आगे होने वाला है, उस केस में हम simple future tense का यूज करते हैं. In this tense we use will and shall and first form of the verb. Means I will visit to the company in the next September. Will future planning is there. क्या कि वो कंपनी को विजिट करने वाला है कब? नेक्स्ट सितंबर में. सो फ्यूचर प्लान है, कोई भी एक्शन जो है वो अभी नहीं हुआ है बट फ्यूचर में होने वाला है. इन दिस केस वी यूज will or shall plus first form of the ing. We use shall with only I and we. But in generally talking term, we use will with I. But grammatically, if I talk about, then shall is correct with I. For negative sentence, we use will not and shall not with the according to the subject of the sentence. Now, future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense. In this tense, we talk about an action that will be taking place at a specific time. किसी भी specific time में कोई भी event या कोई भी action होने वाला है. In that case, it is future continuous tense. For example, there will be your PTM on Monday. Means specific time है Monday. So we have used what? Will be. So in this tense we use will be and shall be plus ing in the first form of the verb. Right. Now future perfect tense. In the future perfect tense, any action that will be completed by a specific time. कोई भी काम जो कि स्पेसिफिक टाइम में कंप्लीट होगा वो हम फ्यूचर टेंस में फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में इंक्लूड करते हैं. इन दिस टेंस वी यूज विल हैव, शैल हैव एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. राइट. future tense.